fire them. 9 and 10 can actually travel. Extract. Hello and welcome back to the Parents English channel, where I show you how you can teach your kids English by doing exciting things. Like today we're going to do an exciting experiment showing how water can move from one cup to the other. And thus we'll learn different colors and many other interesting words. And as always, I've prepared an interesting printout where I show you a step-by-step guide how you can do this experiment. So I show what you will need. We'll need food coloring, we'll need plastic cups, paper and water. So we've got everything ready here. But before we start, I ask you to hit that subscribe button and the bell so as not to miss any new videos and exciting material for you and your kids to learn English. So what do we need to do? We need food coloring. We've got food coloring, so we've got the red color here, we've got the yellow color here, we've got the green color, and we've got the blue one, the paper. Here is the paper, plastic cups. I don't have plastic cups. I've got glasses here, and of course our main ingredient, water. Pour some water. We leave the 3 cups empty, so we put water here. So we've got 4 glasses with water, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is to squeeze 5 drops of each food coloring in each cup. Let's start with the yellow
one, then we'll squeeze the blue one, then we'll squeeze the red one, and finally we'll squeeze color from the green one.
So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then let's take the blue one. 1, 2. Wow, look at this. Look at this. It looks amazing. Now let's take the red color and do the same thing. Just squeeze the food coloring. 1, 2,
3, 4, and 5.
Okay, let's put some more. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. And finally, the green color. Okay, once we've finished squeezing food coloring in the cups with water, the next step is to take a spoon and stir the colors inside our glasses. Let's take the napkin so that we don't mix the colors. The next step is to take a napkin, just place it here, and now you have to bend it in half like this. Then once more bend it in half like this, and then you just bend it again this way and carefully put the napkin into the water. And you can see that the water started moving immediately into the other cup, into the empty cup. We do exactly the same thing. Bend it. And you can see how the water started moving quickly. It's very quick. Can you see it? The blue water is going up. How quickly it's moving. I always highlight here on this channel that you must praise your child, say good words, like, wow, look at this, well done, great job, how beautiful, fantastic, amazing, you've done great job, good boy, good girl. It will build their self-confidence and self-esteem. That's very important in the learning process. Okay, now that you've done this, leave it and come with our observations in 30 minutes according to our questions. We need to observe what is happening. Okay, let's leave the experiment and get back in half an hour. Look how quickly the water is pouring from the glasses with water into the empty glass. Now, look. Wow, cool. exactly half an hour has passed, and let's make our observations and see what has happened within these 30 minutes. As you can see, the water has actually moved from the glasses with water into empty glasses. We see that all our glasses are now filled with water, but what's interesting is that look at this particular glass. So we've got yellow on the left and we've got blue on the right, and if we mix the two colors we get green. Wow, look at this. What happens if we mix the blue and red? What color do we get here? Just write your answer in the comments. Let's make our observations in 1 hour. Let's do it.
1 hour later.
Exactly 1 hour has passed since the start of the experiment. So what do we see? What do we observe? We say that practically all the glasses are filled with water, and interestingly is that the new colors that we get. So the most obvious one is the green color. Look, it's so green. Write in the comments if your green color is greener than mine. So what do we get at the end of the day? Basically, the water can actually travel. Isn't it amazing? And once you finish the experiment, it's good for the kids to step back and reflect on what has happened. So you can ask your kids questions like, what's been the most surprising thing for you in this experiment? What did you like most about the experiment? And also you as a parent can share your reflections on the experiment. Tell your kid what you particularly liked and why. Because these questions make kids reflect on what motivated them and inspired them. Remember to always keep any activity simple and fun. Here are the new words that we have learned today, and if you liked what we are doing here, please subscribe, hit the bell so that you don't miss any videos, and also please don't forget to grab this free printable for you and for your kids, where you can see a step-by-step guide, and also you can answer different questions here about the experiment. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you liked the experiment, which I highly encourage you to do it at home today. And if you would like to see how we extract colors from our favorite Skittles and M&Ms, you can click on the next video and see the new experiments that we'll be doing together. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.